Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a subtraction question where you've got a missing value. Now this is probably one of the harder types of question to do on the first paper. And you've been given the number 801. Take away and you've got to write your answer in this box is equal to 795. This is worth 1 mark in the exam. Now some children will be able to look at this and just know the answer straight away, or be able to visualise what is going on and work out the answer. Other people will find it very difficult to work out what the answer is whatsoever. So, key facts. First of all, you can think about the number line. So if you draw yourself out a little number line, you can see what is going on between the number 801 and the number 795. Because if you've got 801, you're taking away something. The answer is 795. What is that something? And then we can do it by writing our values in columns, and then we can add or subtract. You've got to work out which one it is to get the answer as well. Let's pause. Think about your answer. Remember, column headings, you've got your thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. And then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Great work. So hopefully you've managed to come up with an answer. Now the easiest way to do this one is to think about your number line. So you've got your number 800 and the largest number here is 801. So you're starting off with 801, you're taking something away and the answer has got to be 795. Now by seeing it written down, you don't have to write down every single number between 801 and 795, but I've put them in so you can visually see what is going on. So we've basically got to get from 801 to 795. So we can count backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be take away 6. Now some children will be able to look at this and just see it in their head. So they will know the difference between 801 and 800 is 1. And the difference between 800 and 795 is 5. And 1 plus 5 gives you the 6. So some children will be able to just think about it like that. Now there is an alternative way by using this column notation here, and you've got the number 801. Now if you've got 801, take away something is equal to 795. If you do 801 take away 795, that will also give you the answer. If I start off with 801, take away 795 from it, so this was my 801, take away the 795, that will give me this remaining difference here. So starting on the right hand side, we've got 1 take away 5, which we can't do, so we need to borrow from the number up the top in the middle, which is a 0. We can't borrow from the 0, so we need to borrow from the 8. So we cross the 8 out and make it a 7. We now got a 10 to borrow in this middle column. So I can now cross this 10 out and make it a 9. And then I can borrow 1 here to make this number now 11. So I've got 11 take away 5, which is 6. 9 take away 9 is 0. 7 take away 7 is 0. So your answer is just the number 6 on its own, and you need to make sure you write it in the box. Personally on this question, it's probably easier to think about the number line, but it is when you get better and you get quicker at doing it, doing the subtraction is just as quick sometimes. It depends on what numbers have been given. So it's personal preference as to how you have a go at answering the question. Give yourself a big tick if you got it correct. Great work, well done. The mark scheme on this question shows the answer is 6 for 1M, which means one method mark. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.